The recording has started. I was purposely doing that. Good evening. Sorry. Greetings for the day, guys. This is Vinay Bajaj here, one of your favorite educators on the portal. Chalo, not being biased, one of the plus educators on the portal of Unacademy. This is Vinay Bajaj here, having completed my bachelor's in accounting and finance. Have also completed my master's. Have also completed CS Foundation Level 1, that is the level 1 of the course, and I have a teaching experience of more than 6+ years. Alright, that was it about me. Not more than that. I stay in Mumbai. Welcome you all, welcome to you all. I welcome you all in this session of linear equations into variables. Now, guys, when we talk about linear equations into variables, I know it's a quite easy chapter. For a few, it's a tricky one. But yes, let me tell you, it is tricky but easy. So here we are going to solve not your NCERT, not your R.D. Sharma, or any other author, S. Chand, G. Agrawal. No. We are here to solve the previous year questions from this chapter. But let me tell you, in one session we'll not be able to cover all of them. So this is the part 1 for you all. Linear equations into variables, part 1. Okay. I'll be submitting the videos. I'll be uploading videos on Unacademy channel in parts for the PYQ series. You can call it as the previous year question series. In the previous video, you might have seen for surface area. You will also have trigonometry. You will also have polynomials soon. But let's focus on today's topic. That is linear equations into variables. Alright? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now we will talk about this batch towards the end of the session. Okay. I'll tell you everything in detail towards the end of the session. So yes, are you guys ready for the previous year questions? Questions? Yes. Quickly get your notebooks if you haven't. Sit with a pen, pencil, paper, or a notebook, or all of them. I give you 30-35 seconds. Rest, rush, run, but stay safe and quickly get your notebooks. चलो तो शुरू करें. I hope you guys are ready. Just select my pen. All right. Okay. Are you guys ready? Steady, and here we go with the very first question on your e-screens. It can take CBSE 2020 का क्वेश्चन है यार, थोड़ा ध्यान दे लेना. ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं करने वाले हैं, बट सिलेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस निकाले हैं मैंने ये बार के लिए. These are your 4-mark questions. Now please pay attention, lot of attention. You can share this video with your friends. You can help them out also, whether they are non-plus, it's okay. You can share it with everyone you want, because this will be a very helpful session for everyone. Okay, चलो. So CBSE 2020 में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था. It can take 12 hours to fill a swimming pool using 2 pipes. एक स्विमिंग पूल है, उसको पूरा भरने के लिए 12 घंटे लगते हैं. If the pipe of the larger diameter is used for 4 hours, जो तो बड़ा मोटा पाइप है ना, जिसका मुंह बड़ा है, that was used for 4 hours. And the pipe with the smaller diameter, मतलब जो छोटा पाइप है ना, जिसका मुंह छोटा है, it was used for 9 hours. Only half of the pool can be filled. My God, still half only the pool was filled. How long would it take for each pipe to fill the pool separately? तो चलो सबसे पहले हमारा फेवरेट स्टेटमेंट लिखते हैं. लेट 2 पाइप्स A and B, let the 2 pipes A and B fill the pool fill the pool in x hours, x and y hours respectively. ले लो इसको D1, इसको ले लो D2 and D1 is greater than D2. We assume this. Okay? Chalo. Now, according to the given question or given condition, 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 12 as 1 upon 12. Okay. This is my equation 1. The next equation which I can have is the larger diameter is used for 4 hours, so it will be 4 upon x plus smaller is 9 upon y is equal to we will have 1 upon 12 again, of course. Chalo. Ab, let us take one upon x as u and 1 upon y as v. So therefore I'm writing the equations here. You get na munna na. Let's use some different color. So my first equation will become u plus v is equal to 1 by 12 and the other equation will become 4u plus 9v is equal to 1 by 12. This will be my second equation. All right. Chalo. Now, moving on to the next slide, I'll be solving this sum on the next slide. U plus V is equal to 1 by 12. Multiply by 4, we get 4u plus 4v is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Chalo. Or sorry, I'm just having some problem in the left eye. No worries. So now I've written 1 upon 12 cube. 1 upon 2 आएगा. Half ही भरा है ना. So 1 upon 2 आएगा. Sorry. Okay. And now moving on to the next slide. So we have u plus v is equal to 4u plus silly mistakes. Chalo. So now my equation is 4u plus 4v is equal to 1 by 3 and 4u plus 9v is equal to 1 by 2. Subtracting both of them, you get minus 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 the whole. This gets strike off. You get minus 5v is equal to, when we solve this, we get 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2. So minus 5v is equal to 2 minus 3 upon 6. So minus 5v is equal to minus 1 by 6. So v is equal to 1 by 30. Now v is equal to 1 by y is equal to 1 by 30. So therefore y is equal to 30 hours. Did everyone understand? If y is equal to 30 hours, can I substitute the value and find out the answer for x अगर y 30 आवर्स है तो x 20 आवर्स मिल जाएगा. Is it very clear to everyone? Very clear to everyone that we get x 20 hours. Let's just have a quick recap of the sum. Okay, just a second, guys. Chalo. Extremely sorry. Just had to work. So it can take 12 hours to fill a swimming pool using 2 pipes. If the pipe of the larger diameter is used for 4 hours, बड़े मुंह वाला पाइप 4 घंटे तक हमने यूज किया है, एंड द पाइप ऑफ द स्मॉलर डायमीटर फॉर 9 hours, छोटे मुंह वाला 9 घंटे के लिए यूज किया है for 9 hours. Only half of the pool was filled, Toby. How long it would take for each pipe to fill the pool separately? So let the 2 pipes A and B fill the pool in x hours and y hours respectively. So when they both were used, they filled it in 12 hours. दोनों पाइप साथ में चालू होते थे. अब मैंने क्या किया, सेकेंड इक्वेशन में 4 घंटे तक बड़े मुंह वाला पाइप यूज किया और 9 घंटे तक छोटे मुंह वाला पाइप यूज किया, तो टोटल पानी जो पड़ा वो हाफ ही भरा. सो 1/2 ले लिया. लेट अस टेक 1/x as u and then 1/y as v. Substitute, sorry, finding out two equations and then solving, we get y is equal to 30 hours and x is equal to 20 hours. So individually, if we use pipe A, we will fill the whole swimming pool in 20 hours. If we take the smaller pipe, we have to keep it on for 30 hours. All right, so chalo, let's move on to the next question. Okay, chalo, let's move on to the next question now. Ankita travels 14 kilometers to her home partly by rickshaw and partly by bus. She takes half an hour if she travels 2 kilometers by rickshaw and the remaining distance by bus. On the other hand, if she travels 4 kilometers by rickshaw and the remaining distance by bus, she takes 9 minutes longer. Find the speed of the rickshaw and the bus. So you can see it has been asked 2 years, 2011 and 2013. So it is a very good question. Chalo. So now we have to find the speed. So let the speed of the rickshaw be x and the speed of the bus be y. ठीक है. Also, just for your general knowledge, that speed is equal to distance upon time and time is equal to distance upon speed. Just writing it for your reference, you need not write it. Okay, chalo. अब case 1 में first we will solve the case 1. Time taken in case 1 is half an hour. Is half an hour, yes or no? Yes or no? No, it's not half an hour. I'll tell you. What is the distance? Eraser. Time taken by x मतलब x का मतलब ऑटो रिक्शा. सो t1 ले लेते इसको. चलो हम, so we get 2 by x. ठीक है. अगर t2 by x है तो रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस क्या हो गया पब्लिक? What will be the remaining distance? If 2 kilometers by auto, then the remaining distance will be 10 minus 2, which is nothing but 8 kilometers. Sorry, total was how many kilometers? 14. Uh, 14 kilometers. So I'll get 12 kilometers is the remaining distance. Okay. Now time 2 will be 12 upon y, that is distance upon speed again. So I get the time for both. Can I frame the equation here with some other ink? That is 2 upon x plus 12 upon y is equal to half r, that is 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. This is my equation number 1. Let's solve case 2 now. What is written in the case 2? On the other hand, if she travels 4 kilometer by rickshaw, so case 2 में time क्या हो जाएगा? T3 will be 4 by x. Now again finding out the remaining distance. So remaining distance is equal to 14 minus 4, 10 kilometers is the remaining distance. All right. So again we will find the T4. This time distance upon speed y. Ab, according to the given condition, can I get my equation that 4 upon x plus 10 upon y, and they have asked it takes 9 minutes longer. So can I write is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 9 by 60. So my equation will come कुछ इस तरह, is equal to we'll get 60 as the LCM. So 39 upon 60, which is nothing but 4 upon x plus 10 upon y is equal to 13 upon 20. Did everyone understand? Yes? चलो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ, हमारा फेवरेट स्टेटमेंट, let us take 1 upon x as u and 1 upon y as v. So we get the equations as 2u plus 12v, 2u plus 12v is equal to half, and this is my equation 1. The second equation which we get is 4u plus 10v is equal to 13 by 20. 13 by 20. तो चलो फिर शुरू करते हैं. Multiply the equation 1 by 2. I will have to add a few slide here. One slide here. Just give me a second. I'll just add one slide here. Oh, I already have one. No worries. Smarties, mama will be proud of me. Chalo. So now we have both the equations. Let's solve it. First equation को multiply कर दो, so you will get 4u plus multiplied by 2, okay, 24v is equal to, you get 1 is equal to 1, and then you get 4u plus 10v is equal to 13 by 20. Subtracting both the equations, you get minus, 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 the whole upon. This will get strike off. Then 14v is equal to 1 minus 13 upon 20. So 14v is equal to 7 upon 20. So v is equal to 1 by 40. Now v is equal to 1 by y is equal to 1 by 40. So therefore, can I say y is equal to 40? Can I say y is equal to 40? Now, I have 2u plus 12v is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute the value of v, so we get 2u plus 12 upon 40 is equal to 1 by 2. So you get 2u is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 10. So 2u is equal to 10 minus 6 upon 20. So 2u is equal to 4 upon 20 into 2. So u is equal to, this will not come here, this will give me 2, 1 upon 10. So therefore x is equal to 10. So are these my final answers, public? Are these my final answer? Is everyone pretty clear with it? Just having a quick recap of the sum. Since it was a big sum, we'll just have a recap of it. Okay. Now, Ankita travels 14 km to her home partly by rickshaw and partly by bus. She takes half an hour to reach. She takes half an hour if she travels 2 km by rickshaw and the remaining distance by bus. On the other hand, if she travels 4 km by rickshaw and the remaining distance by bus, she takes 2 minutes 9 minutes longer. Find the speed of the rickshaw and of the bus. So now here we have two situations. पहले तो हमको ये पता है अंकिता का घर कितना दूर है, 14 किलोमीटर दूर है. आधा रास्ता, आधा नहीं, थोड़ा रास्ता वो रिक्शा से पार करती है और उसके बाद से बस से पार करती है. शी टेक्स हाफ एन आवर, आधा घंटा लगता है. कब? जब वो 2 किलोमीटर रिक्शा से जाती है और उसके बाद का डिस्टेंस बस से. सो फर्स्ट वी फाउंड आउट द टाइम वन, दैट इज 2 अपॉन x, since we have taken the speed of rickshaw to be x, then we have taken the speed of the bus to be y. So t1 is 2 upon x, t2 is 12 upon y. How did this come? Time is equal to distance upon speed, and we have figured out how much distance she has covered by rickshaw is already given. So by bus we can calculate since we know the total distance. Then we get the first equation as t1 plus t2 is equal to the total time taken to cover that distance of 14 kilometers. Very good. Then we get T3 and T4 again by using the same thing. 14 is the total distance. Now this time in the second case, she has traveled 4 kilometers by auto and the remaining by bus. So 4 upon x, and similarly finding out the remaining distance, and then we get the T4, that is distance upon time of the distance upon speed of the bus. Now we get the second equation. The same way T3 plus T4 is equal to half plus 9 upon 60. अब ये question होगा कि 9 upon 60 आया तो आया कहाँ से? अरे 9 upon 60 is nothing but 9 minutes longer. मतलब 9 upon 60, since we have taken 30 upon 60, that is half hour. So half plus 9 by 60 will give me my second equation. Then let us take 1 upon x as u and 1 upon y as v. Then we get our two equations. Multiply equation 1 by 2. So we multiplied it, we found out the value of v, then we found out the value of y. Similarly, we substituted the value of v in the equation 1 and calculated the value of u. So we got u is equal to 1 upon 10, which is nothing but also equal to 1 upon x. So x is equal to 10. So both are in kilometer per hour. Did everyone understand the sum? I hope everyone is very clear with it. So चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. A motorboat can travel 30 km upstream and 28 km downstream in 7 hours. It can travel 21 km upstream and return in 5 hours. Find the speed of the boat in still water and speed of the stream. Okay. Now I guess downstream, nahi, and return. So we have both of them. Okay, so this question was asked to you 3 times previously. So how important upstream and downstream concept is, guys, in 2012, 2017 and 2019. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं ये क्वेश्चन आपकी ई स्क्रीन्स पर. चलो, so I'll change the color since the question is also in white. Let the speed of the boat in still water, the boat in still water be x kilometer per hour, and let the speed of the stream be y kilometer per hour. Now, moving forward, let us use our favorite yellow. हमेशा याद रखना अपस्ट्रीम में क्या हो जाएगा पब्लिक, अपस्ट्रीम में हमेशा x माइनस वाई हो जाएगा, दैट इज द स्पीड ऑफ द बोट इन स्टिल वाटर माइनस द स्पीड ऑफ द स्ट्रीम. वाई, पानी ऐसे बह रहा है, ठीक है, दिस वे में, एंड यू आर वॉकिंग इन दिस, यू आर स्विमिंग इन दिस मैनर, योर स्पीड विल डिक्रीज और इंक्रीज. अगेन water is flowing here, you are swimming this side, so water and speed are in opposite direction, that is in case of upstream. जब एक बोट हिचको ले खाती मोटर बोट, जब पानी की लहरें इधर है और बोट इधर से आ रही है, मतलब दे बोथ आर इन अपोजिट, दैट मीन्स अपस्ट्रीम, सो स्पीड माइनस होगी. तो नाउ यू आर स्मार्ट इनफ, तो डाउनस्ट्रीम में क्या हो जाएगा, तो डाउनस्ट्रीम में क्या हो जाएगा, x प्लस वाई हो जाएगा. सो चलो केस 1 पे आते हैं पहले. केस 1, ठीक है. केस 1 में हमें पता है, फिर से आपके रेफरेंस के लिए लिख देता हूं, टाइम इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड, टाइम इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. सो नाउ कैन आई से दैट t1 is nothing but 30 kilometer upstream, so upon x minus y. t2 is for downstream, that is 28 upon x plus y. Total time taken is 7 hours, so can I say 30 upon x minus y plus 28 upon x plus y is equal to total hours taken is 7, so is equal to 7, t1 plus t2. This is my equation 1. चलो अब हम जाते हैं केस 2 के तरफ. So now case 2, again time is equal to distance upon speed. तो t3 क्या हो जाएगा, how much is the distance, 21 for both, so 21 upon x minus y. t4 will be 21 upon x plus y. रिटर्न का मतलब वही हुआ. So now my equation will be 21 upon x minus y plus 21 upon x plus y. How many hours we are taking, 5 hours, is equal to, this is my equation 2. Let's do my favorite thing. Let us take 1 upon x minus y, मैंने क्या लिया है मेरे सोल्यूशन में, p लिया है मैंने, और 1 upon x plus y को हम q ले लेते हैं, ठीक है. चलो सो फिर सम करते हैं वापस से यहाँ पे कुछ इस तरह. सो माई फर्स्ट इक्वेशन विच आई गेट इज 30 and 28, so 30p plus 28q is equal to 7. And 21p plus 21q is equal to 5. So we get this. Is it very clear to everyone? Very clear to everyone? चलो अब बड़े numbers जब होते हैं ना guys, when we have big numbers, what we should do, I'll teach you a method. First add both of them, then you obtain an equation, then subtract both of them, then you'll get an equation. That is, adding them we get add. So you will get 51p plus 49q is equal to 12. This will be your equation 3. Now subtracting them, 30p plus 28q is equal to 7, and 21p plus 21q is equal to 5. Now subtract, so minus, minus, minus. You will get 9p plus, you will get 9p plus 7q is equal to 2, is equal to 2. Now this will be my fourth equation. So chalo, I'll have to add the slides, guys. Just give me a second. Okay, sure. Sorry and thank you. Where were we? So now my equations are 51p plus 49q is equal to 12, and we have 9p plus 7q is equal to 2. Multiply this by 7, you get 63p plus 49q is equal to 14. So चलो यहाँ पे लिख लो इसको, 63p plus 49q is equal to 14. Subtracting, so you get minus, minus, minus. This will give you minus 12p. This will get strike off, is equal to minus 2. So p is equal to 1 upon 6. Now, can I write 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1 upon 6? So I'll get x minus y is equal to 6. This will be my equation number 5. This will be my equation number 5. Now, once I get this, can I substitute p's value, say in 9p plus 7q is equal to 2. Substitute this here, so you get 9 upon 6 plus 7q is equal to 2. So you get 9 minus, this 2 comes here and we take LCM, 12 upon 6 is equal to 7q. So now what you will get, ये भी minus है, यहाँ आंसर minus 1 upon 2 आ रहा है, is equal to minus 7q. So therefore we'll get q is equal to 14. So we are getting q is equal to, sorry, we are getting, I'll solve this here, we are getting q is equal to 1 upon 14. Q is equal to 1 upon 14. So my final answers are, this equation will become x plus y is equal to 14. This will be my equation number 6. I'll add one more slide for you all. Okay, chalo. So now we have the equations with us, that is x minus y is equal to 6 and x plus y is equal to 14. Subtract, so minus, minus, minus. You will get minus 2y is equal to minus 8. So y is equal to 4. Once you get this, we have x minus y is equal to 6. So x minus 4 is equal to 6. So x is equal to 10. Therefore, the speed of the boat is equal to 10 kilometer per hour, and the speed of the stream is equal to 4 kilometer per hour. So let's quickly have a recap of the whole sum. That is, let the speed of the boat in the still water be x. Pani में जब बोट है स्टिल वाटर, ओके, मतलब पानी की स्पीड हमने यहाँ इग्नोर की है, सिर्फ बोट की स्पीड x है, स्ट्रीम की स्पीड हमने y ले ली। अप स्ट्रीम मतलब अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं, स्पीड अगर ये में स्ट्रीम अगर यहाँ बह रही है, बोट इस तरफ जा रही है तो स्पीड माइनस हो जाएगी, और अगर पानी इस तरफ बह रहा है और बोट भी इस तरफ जा रही है तो वो डाउन स्ट्रीम हो जाएगा, मतलब ऐड हो जाएंगे दोनों के स्ट्रीम। सो केस 1 में हमने T1 T2 निकाला, T1 प्लस T2, वी गॉट दिस। मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, again in case 2 we got T3 plus T4 as this. Now we took P and Q, we solved. Now जब भी बड़े नंबर्स होते तो मैं तो हमेशा ऐसे सॉल्व कर लेता हूँ, ये भी इजी होता है, चांसेस कम होते हैं गलती के। हाँ माना सम लेंदी हो गया, लेकिन चांसेस ऑफ गेटिंग मिस्टेक, चांसेस ऑफ डूइंग अ मिस्टेक आर वेरी लेस. सो यू कैन डू इट बाय दिस मेथड or whichever method you are comfortable with. It is absolutely on you. So 51 and 49 and 12, then we have 9p 7q, so and so. Okay, then solving both the equations which we obtained after adding and subtracting, 51p plus 49q is equal to 12, then 9p 7q. It is very easy to multiply 7, so q निकाल दिया, q को eliminate कर दिया. We got p, so we got x minus y is equal to as the fifth equation. Then we got x plus y is equal to 14 as the sixth equation. Solving these two equations, we get the speed of the boat is equal to 10 kilometer per hour and speed of the stream is equal to 4 kilometer per hour. Is it very clear to everyone? Very, very, very clear to everyone? Yes, yes, yes or no? Is it absolutely clear? Chalo. Let's do the next question. Now, CBSE 2019. CBSE 2019. तो चलो ये क्वेश्चन करते हैं. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 1/7/8 hours. This is nothing but 1/7/8 hours. The tap with a larger diameter takes 2 hours less than the tap with the smaller diameter, one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can fill the tank. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. Let the smaller tap fill the tank. Now since time is asked, so we'll take in x hours. Similarly, let the larger tap fill the tank in y hours. ठीक है, इन y hours. सॉरी गलत. अब y क्यों नहीं लेंगे पब्लिक यहाँ पे? क्योंकि मुझे बोला है 2 hours लेस, तो अगर ये x लेता है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? x minus 2 hours, x minus 2 hours, and together, time taken together is also given. So time taken together is equal to 1/7/8 hours. That is nothing but 15/8 hours. Alright, यहाँ तक सबको सम क्लियर है? Now, work done by the smaller tap. Everyone has done this direct inverse relationship. Work done by the smaller tap, is equal to 1/x, and work done by the larger tap is equal to 1/x minus 2. In an hour, 1 घंटे में, in an hour. So now, according to the given condition करते हैं public. So, according to the given condition, 1/x दोनों को ऐड करेंगे क्योंकि टाइम टेकन टुगेदर है. 1/x minus 2 is equal to, we get 8/15. We get 8/15. 15, ये अभी 8/15 कहाँ से आया, ये 15/8 है, तो इसका भी रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा ना. So चलो, solving this you get x minus 2 plus x the whole upon x bracket open x minus 2 is equal to 8/15. So ये हो जाएगा 2x minus 2 the whole upon you get x square minus 2x is equal to 8/15. So now what you will get is 30x minus 15 is equal to 8x square minus 16x plus x minus 16x. So you get 8x square minus 16x, and this comes here. So minus 30x is equal to minus 15. So you get 8x square minus 46x plus 15 is equal to 0. So now silly mistake. It will come 30 here. Extremely sorry guys. 30, 30, and then again 30. This goes here. So ये minus 30 है, ठीक है, और ये plus 30 हो गया. Now dividing the whole by 2, divide this equation by 2, you get 4x square minus 23x plus 15 is equal to 0. So split the middle term, 4x square minus we need 60, so we need 60, 23s are, so minus 20x minus 3x plus 15 is equal to 0. So you get 4x common, so x minus 5 minus 3 common, x minus 5 is equal to 0. So या तो x minus 5 is equal to 0, या तो x 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5, या तो x is equal to 3/4. Is it very clear? But 3/4 तो possible हो ही नहीं सकता है. So इसको हम नहीं कंसिडर करेंगे, हम इसको कंसिडर करेंगे. तो अगर x is equal to 5 है, तो फिर जो लार्जर टैप है, ये तो स्मॉलर टैप हो गया, तो जो लार्जर टैप है वो क्या हो जाएगा, 3. Is it very clear to everyone? Very clear to everyone? Very clear to everyone? Very, 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 very clear. All right. So this was part 1, guys. This was your part 1. Now, such videos I'll be coming up again and again for you all. That will help you a lot in your improvement in word problems, or build your confidence for your board exams. And this will be helpful even to class 9 students if they want to learn how to solve in 2 variables. Coming to the topic, this batch which is on your screen is about to end. This batch will end soon, and you guys should enroll and should take subscription right now. The reason is that you will get this batch to attend a few sessions live, that is maybe 10 days live, and the previous recordings will be open to you all of all the educators on the portal, not only for this month but the previous courses taken by the educators also. Each and everything will be available to you all once you subscribe using my referral code VB19. VB19, V for victory, B for Bajaj, 19. This daily T20 MCQ test series, as we all know, Unacademy is the proud sponsor, partner sponsor of IPL. We have started this from 31st August itself. it has started every Monday to Friday 1:30 p.m. Okay, every Monday to Friday 1:30 p.m. you'll have a free MCQ test series, 20 questions of each, maths and science. Now, this is free in the case all for the plus subscribers. It is definitely available for the non-plus subscribers. Also, this thing is available for both class 9 and for both class 10. So class 9 के लिए भी ये चीज़ है, class 10 के लिए भी ये चीज़ है, और CBSE 6 to 8 कैटेगरी भी स्टार्ट हो गई है. That means now CBSE class 6, 7, 8, all three are also available just like class 9, 10, 11, 12 on the portal for you all. So if any of my dear friend from class 6, 7, 8 is watching this video live, or you guys have any sibling, then also you can use my referral code VB19 and subscribe using the code. Okay, you can use my referral code and subscribe using the code. So you get subscribe Unacademy using the code, so you get a 10% flat discount on your subscription. Now this is an amazing feature which has come up, guys. Let's practice. This is an amazing feature which has come up. Let's practice, where you'll get n number of sums to practice with super duper level of difficulty from easy to hard, just to build up your base, just to let you know, let you test yourself that where do you stand. So you can come up daily on the app, practice those practice questions and gain XP as and when you practice more and more questions. This will help you a lot when you subscribe in near future also, because let me tell you, those who are not subscribing now, in the near future I am sure that you guys will definitely end up taking a subscription. Then quiz alert, quiz alert, quiz alert. Just like PUBG खेला करते थे, not talking about that, वहाँ पे हम रूम क्रिएट करते थे और दोस्त लोग खेलते थे, वैसे ही यहाँ पे एडुकेटर्स कैन क्रिएट अ रूम with respect to math science quizzes. Number of questions is totally depends on the educator. The time to be allotted per question also depends on the educator. So this is the quiz alert. You just need the room code, you just need the quiz room code. Now that room code you can get with us, get connected with us on Telegram channel. Vinay Bajaj CBSE Unacademy channel is the name. You can join in. I keep on scheduling quizzes for you all. One quiz will be scheduled tomorrow. I'll be sharing the code tomorrow. So you can be a part of my Telegram channel and be a part of the quiz as well. Make sure you download the app and see my free classes first. You can use again my referral code VB19 to subscribe. Now the difference between the MCQ T20 series and Let's Challenger test series for class 9 and 10 is, this is only for plus students, guys. This is only for the plus subscribers जिन्होंने Unacademy को subscribe किया है. With respect to class 9 or with respect to class 10, maths and science, maths is every Sunday, science is every Wednesday. The timings are also given to you. ठीक है? MCQs 60 minutes, instant results, attend the analysis within 48 hours of this test. मॉक टेस्ट का एनालिसिस भी हो जाता है कि वो क्वेश्चंस के रिगार्ड में किसी को भी कोई डाउट है, वन ऑफ द टॉप एजुकेटर्स ऑफ द पोर्टल विल कम अप एंड क्लियर देम, ओके, इन द सेशन. Class after the test to solve all your doubts, that is the mock test analysis which I was talking about. This is not only for 9, this is also for your 10th grade as well. So again, you can use my referral code VB19 and subscribe using the code and get a 10% off. So this is my referral code, guys. Now let's come to the topic. At the start I had told you I'll talk about the premium course which we have started. So this is for both class 9 and 10 exclusively. I will be teaching you all maths in English, mathematics in English. My mission is you guys scoring 100 on 100, or at least all my students, all my learners who attend my sessions regularly should score 95 and above. We are doing PYQs, we are doing your NCRT, we are doing exemplars, we are doing RD Sharma. Each and everything is provided to you. We conduct quiz, mega quizzes, live quiz, test series, subjective test series. Each and everything is available for you all. Just we need is that you subscribe and take the benefits from the top educators of the country. Then we have Hardik Khiradia sir, who will be taking care of SST for class 9 in English. Then we have Anika Seth ma'am for French. Then we have Bhavna Bisht ma'am for science. We have Sandeep Dubey sir for English. Utkarsh Pandey sir for Hindi, and myself Vinay Bajaj for maths. Can you see the timetable on the screen, that it is systematically designed, so systematically designed. So every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you will have English, maths and science. Every Tuesday, Thursdays and Saturdays you will have SST, French and Hindi. The timings are given to you just 3 hours a day on Unacademy, and you cover your major subjects with top educators on the portal thoroughly, along with revisions and doubt clearance, and you are also provided notes in English. So you can again use my referral code VB19 and subscribe now to get a 10% off. Talking about class 10, you have Akansha Sharma ma'am who will be taking care of social studies, that is history, geography, civics, economics, all 4 of them. For French, you have Anika Seth ma'am. For science, you have Ajinkya Saluke sir. Then you have Utkarsh Pandey sir for Hindi. Then you have myself for mathematics again for class 10 as well. And we have Vandana Bajaj ma'am for your English, that is literature, language, both. Again, you can use my referral code and subscribe using the referral code. Guys, you get a 10% flat off. Coming back to the subscription point of view, now I have changed this. Well, rank 11 in 10th, rank 4 in 9th. Okay, rank 4 in 9th. This is among educators. This is amongst the educators. Rank 2 for the learners. Rank 2 for the learners in 9th. And rank 3 for the learners in class 10th. So these are my rankings which are visible to the learners, amongst the learners, and minutes of watch minutes of this month live in plus classes. Okay, so 1 million touched recently, 1 million fam, 3,42,000 for the last 30 days, 342k means 3,42,000, 2k followers, 481 dedications. The link is there in the description. What you have to do is just follow me on Unacademy. So you'll get notified with all my upcoming courses, free classes. You can join my Telegram channel. Also, stay connected with me on Telegram. Follow now, guys. Now, why plus subscription? Live classes of all the subjects, weekly quizzes. Also, we have mega quizzes at the end of every chapter. 30 question test is given to you on the basis of what the educator has taught you. Then we have doubt solving, live classes, practice questions and test series, all and a lot more for you all. Just you have to use my referral code VB19 and subscribe. The best part is if you subscribe for class 9th, you get 10th, you get 11th, you get 12th absolutely free. Use this code VB19, have a referral code. Yes, of course, VB19 you have to help you. All these prices will be slashed by 10%. All these prices. This will become 2250. This will become 9,000. This will become 13,500. This, if not mistaken, 22,500. This will become 32,400. This will become 36,000 if you subscribe using my referral code. 9th के साथ 10th, 11th और 12th तीनों मिलेगा. अगर 6 महीने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर रहे हो तो आज से लेकर 6 महीने तक ये चारों सेक्शन के लेक्चर्स अवेलेबल है. तो अगर आपके कोई सिबलिंग है तो जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. अगर आप 6th, 7th, 8th में से भी कोई सब्सक्राइब करते हैं तो भी आपको उसके आगे की स्टैंडर्ड्स मिलेंगे. तो अगर छोटा भाई या छोटी बहन है तो आप 6, 7, 8 का सब्सक्रिप्शन लीजिए तो आपको 12 तक की नीड सेटिस्फाई हो जाएगी. सिर्फ मेरा रेफरल कोड यूज़ करना है और कुछ नहीं करना है. कार्ड आपका यूज़ कर लेना, रेफरल कोड मेरा यूज़ कर लेना, 10% आपको ऑफ हो जाएगा. तो ज़रूर मिलते हैं. अगर ये सेशन पसंद आया हो, लीव इन द कमेंट बॉक्स विच चैप्टर यू वांट मी टू डू नेक्स्ट फॉर यू ऑल, and do share it with your friends. Press the bell icon, subscribe to the channel. God bless you all. Take care, stay safe, take care of your parents, stay indoors, and let's crack it.